Dear students, now we are going to discuss about the 7th standard math, lesson 4, direct and inverse proportion. This is a continuation for last video. Now I explain exercise 4.1, second sum. Say true or false. In the first one, distance travelled by a bus and time taken are in direct proportion. Here, two quantities is given. One is distance, another one is time. Distance and time always in direct proportion because one quantity is increases, then another one quantity also increases. So this is direct proportion. So the given statement is true. So in the first one we write the answer is true. In the second one, expenditure of a family to number of members of the family are in direct proportion. This statement also true because the two quantities is expenditure and number of members of the family. In the expenditure of a family is increases, the number of members of the family also increases. So this is a direct proportion. So this statement also true. So we write the answer is true. In the third one, number of students in a hostel and consumption of a food are not in direct proportion. This statement is false because number of students is increases, then consumption of food also increases. The number of students is decreases, then consumption of food also decreases. This types of proportion is called direct proportion, but the given statement is not in direct proportion. So this statement is false. In the fourth one, if Mallika walks 1 kilometer in 20 minutes, then she can convert 3 kilometers in 1 hour. This is the correct statement because Mallika walked 1 kilometer in 20 minutes but 3 kilometers in 1 hour. This is possible. So the given statement is true. So we write the fourth one is true. In the fifth one, if 12 men can dig a pond in 8 days, so then 18 men can dig it in 6 days. See the given statement. 12 men worked in the given dig a pond is 8 days. But 18 men can dig in 6 days. This is false statement. So fifth one is false. Correct answer is then 12 men dig a pond is 8 days and 18 men is 6 days. This is decreases. Then this also decreases. So we write is direct proportion 18 by 12 into 8, 2 fours are, then 3 fours are, 6 threes are 18, then 12 days. The given statement in fifth one is answer is 12 days is correct answer, but the given is 6 days. So the statement is false. So fifth one is false. So the first one answer, distance travelled by a bus and time taken are in direct proportion is true. Then expenditure of a family to number of members of the family are in direct proportion. This statement is true. The number of students in a hostel and consumption of food are not in direct proportion. This statement is false. If Mallika walks 1 kilometer in 20 minutes, then she can convert 3 kilometers in 1 hour is true. Then if 12 men can dig a pond in 8 days, then 18 men can dig it in 6 days. This is false. In exercise 4.1, third sum, A dozen bananas cost is rupees 20. What is the price of 48 bananas? So, write the solution. Let the required price we consider X. So, as the number of bananas increases, price also increases. So, number of bananas and cost are in direct proportion. Here, number of bananas is 1 dozen. 1 dozen means 12 quantity is 12 number of bananas. Cost is rupees 48. Then 20 bananas cost is we find it. Let the required price be X. Here number of bananas is increases, then cost also increases. It is a direct proportion. So one quantity is increases, another one quantity is also increases. So it is direct proportion. So we write x1 divided by y1 is equal to x2 divided by y2. So here we write it, x1 is 12 divided by 20 is equal to 48 divided by x. So x is equal to, this one is come this side, then reciprocal we have 48 is come this side, division. So 12 divided by 20 into 48 is equal to 1 divided by x. So x value, we take the reciprocal, so x is equal to, here x is come this side, this also go that side. We change the reciprocal, 20 divided by 48 divided by 12. Here 1 12s are 12, 4 12s are 48. Then 20 multiplied with 4, we have x is equal to 80. So the number of bananas, 48 bananas is rupees 80. Here 48 bananas is costing rupees 10. So therefore price of bananas is equal to rupees 80. So then we consider number of bananas. 12 bananas is cost is rupees 20. Then 48 bananas cost is, then you write this one. So here this is x1, x2, then y1, here y2. So the third one answer is price of 48 bananas is equal to rupees 80. In the fourth one, a group of 21 students paid rupees 840 as the entry fee for a magic show. Then how many students entered the magic show if the total amount paid was rupees 1680? So here given the quantity, two quantities, number of students is one quantity, then another one is entry fees. So 21 students paid the entry fees is rupees 840. Then paid the fees is entry fee is 1680. So we find the number of the students. As here, let the required number of students we consider be x. Let the required number of students be X. Here the number of students increases, the entry fees also increases. So it is direct proportion. It is direct proportion. So we write in x1 divided by y1 is equal to x2 divided by y2. Here x1 is equal to, we consider 21, x2 we consider x, then entry fees 840 we consider y1, then 1680 we consider y2. So substitute the value for here. X1 is 21 divided by y1 840 is equal to x2 is x divided by y2 is 1680. So we simplify here, we find the value of x. Here 1680 is division, so come this side, we write in multiply. So 21 multiply with 1680 divided by 840 is equal to x. Now we simplify this one. 0, 0 cancel. Then 3 tables. 7 3s are 21. Here 3 table. Simplify. 2 3s are 6. Remainder to 24. 8 3s are 24. Again 7th table we simplify. 1 7s are 7. 4 7s are 28. Now we have 168 divided by 4 is equal to x. So we simplify into 4th table. Again 1 4s are 4. 4 4s are 16. 2 4s are 8. So the value of x is equal to 42. So the number of, so x is equal to 42. The number of students entered Matric show is equal to 42. So this is a solution for the 4th one. So 21 students paid the entry fees in the magical show is rupees 840. Then paid the fees is 1680. So the number of the students entered the magical show is 42. This is a solution for the 4th one. Okay students, today learned about some word problems in direct proportion for lesson 4. Thank you.